Between Florence and Siena lies San Gimignano, the town of fine towers.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
These towers were the skyscrapers of those days, making this the Manhattan of the Mediterranean. During the Renaissance, wealthy people displayed their wealth by building their towers a little taller than their neighbors. I'm going to make a ribollita soup, so I'm on the hunt for the perfect vegetables.
Buongiorno ragazzi.
Oh, buongiorno caro.
Come va?
Tutto bene, grazie.
Un po' di verdure, carote, sedano, un po' di cipolla rossa.
Va bene.
I'm telling him what I need for my ribollita. Un po' di aglio, a little garlic. See, this is what I love about when you buy fruit and veg in Italy. Number one, everything that you see is in season, but then the colors. If you look at the colors, and the smell is just insane.
Per tradizione,
Bravo.
Lo sfili.
He said, make sure that you put cavolo nero because it's very traditional. Look at this beautiful. Forget about flowers. Give a bunch of artichokes. At least you can eat them.
A crudo, la cipolla
A crudo,
ci sta da Dio.
He's trying to tell me how to make the ribollita.
La ribollita poi ci sminuzzi la tropea.
See, that's the great thing about Italian market like this. When you buy something, they also give you a recipe with it. And everybody is a master of recipes. So, arrivederci.
Ciao,
Grazie.
arrivederci.
Ciao ragazzi.
Ciao, ci vediamo.
Something like this, look. This will be perfect. I got my vegetable, I got my bread, ready to make a ribollita.
The sun is shining, so that means we are going to cook outside.
So, where do we start? The vegetable. I got onions, carrots, celery, and potatoes. A little bit of olive oil into a pan, vegetable all in there. And we're gonna add a little touch of salt. The chili flakes goes in there just to give it a kick. Fennel seeds. Bay leaves, or as we say in Italian, foglie di alloro. I put the lid on and then I put a wooden spoon like that. So some of the steam comes out. Leave it there, 12, 15 minutes. Every couple of minutes you go there, stir it, and everything is gonna be okay. I'm starting to cook some sausages. Proper Italian fat sausages. The garlic goes in it. Not too much. Now the next step of the ribollita is the bread. We need to soak stale bread into stock. And I'll just take all the crunchy bits. Now this soup here is also used when they do the L'Eroica bike race here in Tuscany. They stop every couple of hours, they have a ribollita to get the energy and go for it. Now, in the vegetables, we're gonna add fresh tomatoes, straight in, tinned plum tomatoes. Add the remaining stock. Voilà. Start to mix everything together. Now we're gonna add the pieces of bread. Properly Italian or French, if you really have to, breads. Now, kale or cavolo nero, straight on top. I got some beautiful cannellini beans, already cooked, and let it simmer away for about half an hour. Every now and then, stir everything together. That's it. This is the kind of thing that I like to eat when I have a big family around. You pick up the pot in the middle of the table and the job is done. The only thing that I have to do, I got my sausages, half of it goes into the soup. Then I'm gonna get some of my sausages, which I like to put them on the side. I'm gonna shave a little bit of cheese. Let me try. This is how you make a ribollita. Buon appetito. Guys, and I really hope you like in my Tuscan retreats. I'll see you very soon.